If you don't receive notifications on your Galaxy Watch 9, here's what you can do to try to fix this. So first of all, we can simply use the wearable app on our smartphone, because I think it's just slightly easier to manage these settings. So in the wearable app, we want to simply go to the list of settings, and let's start by going to notifications. Over here we can find, for example, phone notifications on watch. So in case you cannot see notifications from your phone on your Galaxy Watch 9, then you want to probably switch to always show on both, just to make sure that you can actually see all of these notifications that you have on your phone. You can also see them on your watch. Besides that, we can go to app notifications, and over here we have the list of apps. First, you see apps from your watch that are allowed or not allowed to send you notifications. So you just want to make sure that all of these apps that you care about, at least, they are allowed to send you notifications. And then if you keep scrolling down, then you should also be able to see phone apps now below. So if of course some of these apps do not really send you notifications to your watch, then you might check out over here if the permission is actually granted for them to send those notifications. So make sure that all of these important apps for you are allowed in here to send you notifications to your watch. Now, besides that, we're gonna go now to our watch, and what we can do is we can go to settings on our watch, and let's go to notifications. Over here in the notification settings, we have Do Not Disturb, and of course, if you have this option enabled, then you might not be able to receive notifications when that option is enabled, so you might want to make sure that it is not enabled. And another setting that is quite important is in security and privacy, and in here we have the wrist detection. If you have, let's say, tattoos, or maybe there is something that doesn't allow the watch to properly detect if it's worn on your wrist, then you might want to turn this option off and then confirm that you want to do that. So now, it doesn't really matter if you wear your watch or not, you will always receive notifications and alerts on your Galaxy Watch 9. And last but not least, remember to reboot your smartwatch. So if you go to, let's say, this quick settings panel, you can tap on this power button and shut down your watch, and then of course you can just turn it back on again, and hopefully after the restart everything is going to work. And that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.